I sneeze. Reality drops patch notes. Words are laws. I say pause, my street freezes mid-yawn. Names auto-rename destinies. My tag flips to bug fix in progress. Fate starts buffering. Fruit opens HR tickets. Banana alleges slip discrimination. Mango requests a tropical union. Time unions too. Minutes strike. Seconds hold signs. I speedrun negotiations with glitched clones. Any wrong syllable triggers the viral punchline. Say it, and we all reboot into NPC mode, humming unskippable elevator music. Hard pass. I need focus. I need Gamma Brain DLC. Enter Brain Song, a neuroscience Soundwave to help activate gamma rhythm. Clearer, sharper mind in 12 minutes a day. Headphones on. Press play. Memory, focus, calm. EQ it like a buff and dodge my own punchline. Clones desync. Banana approves my timesheet. Time signs a truce. Names roll back. The punchline inches close. I mute it with clarity. We live. Want the same buff? Tap infoquest.biz/brainsong. HR fruit stays, obviously.